Our office to the new managers, the party is in fairly good form. I hereby hand over to the new managers of the party. Symbolically, I will hand over to Honorable James Mahimba, the party constitution, to signify that we are passed on the office. Thank you very much.
Omubutumwa bw'okusibura Dr. Kiyonga ol Chancellor wa Makerere University ajumirire bitaragenzire gye omu kuteera akaruru k'ekibiina kya NRM omu district ya Kasese ogwagizire ngu habiireho butari buringaniza omu divisions ezimwe kandi yashaba abebembezi b'ekibiina okukora aha nsonga egi.
NRM is a national progressive political formation. It will be advisable to, as soon as possible, address the impact that the negative features in the elections may cause in the body politic of the district. It is very critical that the re-emerging tendency to political hooliganism is avoided.
Dr. Kiyonga nagira ngu nubwo bimwe bitaragenzire gye omu karuura aka naatabaarusya abebembezi abebembiremu James Mbahimba ab'okuhika aha buhanguzi kandi abashaba okuteekamu amaani okurebuka ngu bayemerezaho ekibiina kya NRM omu district egi.
State of the party in the district. The party has support across the district as demonstrated by, among other things, the following. 1. The LC5 chairman is NRM. 2. Close to 70% of the district council is NRM. 3. The MPs representing 3 of the 5 constituencies in the parliament are NRM.
We James Mbahimba, chairman omusya hamwe n'omuhwenzi we Vice Kafuda Boazi basimire Dr. Kiyonga habo bwebembezi n'amaani gatiiremu okumara emyaka 40 kandi bamushaba kuguma n'abashagika.
As a party, I have come to aid the infrastructure of NRM, and I wish to say that I will always consult you, because I also know that you know much in regard to this party. But as time comes in, I was elected as a chairman. I will take on this mantle as you have handed it to me, and I pledge to increase on mobilization and recruitment of the party.
And we are going to work together. We are not going to be divided by the elections, no. We are going to keep together. We are going to cooperate, and you keep guiding us so that we can move on well. NRM party is for us all.
Ibyo bikiri aho agaba Bridge Murokore or Secretary wa Finance NRM Youth League omuri Kasese District najya Nayecwacwana ngwe minyeto eine mwoga muhango gukora mu ihanga eri.
I'm so proud today that I'm bringing the good news to all Ugandans that I'm going to contest for the first national vice chairperson NRM. And indeed, it is our time as the youth of purpose to hold the future of the party. Nelson Mandela one day said that the future of a nation belongs to the youth. And indeed, to secure the youth of NRM, we must have the youth in these offices so that we can secure the party, which is NRM.
Twaza